Hello everyone and welcome back to Recipes Mania. I'm Rachel and I'm helping Crystal out again today. Crystal came up with an idea for a healthy recipe in honor of National Nurses Day today. It's awesome Asian casserole. It looks good, Crystal.
Okay, so first we gotta spray the casserole dish.
Alright, I got that sprayed. Sprayed the casserole dish with some butter spray. And Crystal had me go ahead and cut up some boneless, skinless chicken breast and cook it with about a tablespoon of honey, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, garlic, salt, and pepper ahead of time.
I'm not really into salt, that's why I didn't do that much soy sauce.
Just a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Alright, so you may put the chicken in first?
Nope, the quinoa goes first.
Quinoa goes in first. And we used, here it's all done, we used organic red quinoa. Alright, so we'll put that in the pan first. Alright, Crystal, we've got the quinoa in. It's nice and steaming hot. What do you want me to do next?
Next, you put in the chicken.
Alright. It's got such a nice, pretty brown color cooking it with the honey. Alright, so we'll mix the chicken in now. Okay, we've got the quinoa and the honey, garlic, soy sauce chicken mixed in. Last thing to go in will be the veggies, right?
Yep.
And those are fresh carrots that we steamed and some broccoli that we steamed, just to the point where they're a little tender but not mushy. Alright, those are going in next. Alright, so that's all mixed together. The last thing we got to do is some spices. What do you think, Crystal?
Yep. Next, we're just gonna add a few drips of soy sauce.
Alright.
Drips, because soy sauce,
It'll make it salty.
Yes, and I don't do.
Alright, so we'll put a couple drips of soy sauce in, and then I got about a tablespoon of honey. You think that's good to add, Crystal?
I'd say a tablespoon and a half for the top.
Alright, and then we'll sprinkle a little bit of garlic and pepper and pop it in the oven for how long do you think?
20 minutes.
Alright, 20 minutes on 350 just to heat everything through, and we'll give it a try.
Yep.
Alright, I've got all the ingredients mixed in together and got a bunch of quinoa all over the table in the process, but it looks good. We're going to pop it in the oven, so you guys try it and tell us what you think.
This is Recipes Mania saying sayonara for now.
Bye, guys.
Bye.